Hi guys, Judy from Witch Piece Craft. Well, I had my day out. It was great. I went to the Far North Queensland Hospital Foundation's annual craft day market, and I went on to my Crochet for Cancer group, which was a lot of fun, and did a bit of shopping afterwards. I wasn't allowed to shoot video at the handmade craft market. The Hospital Foundation girls thought it wasn't possible because some people wouldn't want to be on camera, but I can tell you about it. The pavilion was packed. There were stalls of sewed items, knitted items, crocheted items, handmade handbags and toys, woodwork, and there were even food stalls, the chili sauce stall, cupcake stall. It was really a lot of stalls for their first market. I got there early, but within half an hour it was absolutely packed full of people. So it was great. The Hospital Foundation had a stall selling their raffle tickets in the car, and they had a stall for a cent sale. So yeah, I was there quite a while, saw some old faces that I don't see until Christmas. I only see them once a year when we're Christmas gift wrapping, so it was great to catch up, and I really enjoyed it. I did buy a couple of things, something that I really like and gave me a great idea. So I'm going to show you what I got. First of all, they're in my little handy shopping bag I take with me. Now, people make whip bags and everything, and I keep mine in plastic because I like to see what they are, but look what I found. This one, the lady makes, she puts like a netting. I'll put that in there. See? And that is so you can see your whips through it, like the colours. I need something bright. How about this? So if I've got a little whip in there, I can go, oh yeah, I know what that is. And you can also have a tag. Now, there were two stalls selling these that ladies make them for your whips. And I think it's a great idea. Rather than all closed in fabric, you get a bit of netting on the front. It's really soft. One lady was selling them for $12. The lady I bought them off was selling them for $5, which I thought, considering everything is overlocked and it's got a drawstring, it was really a good price. And the other thing I bought was from the Hospital Foundation craft store, and it is a fold-away calico shopping bag. See that? It's a decent shopping bag, and it folds up really nicely. So when I go to work, it's just in my handbag, and I can pull it out. Because here last year, or was it early this year? No, it was last year. The Australian government decided we would cut down on our plastic bags. So when you go shopping, if you want a plastic bag, you've got to pay a certain amount of fee. And it's a good idea, because up here in the Great Barrier Reef, the plastic bags end up out on the ocean on the reef, and turtles and dolphins and sharks and whales all get caught up in them and die. I guess my other big bugbear is I don't mind people who smoke, but don't flick your cigarette butts into the ocean, waterways, rivers. Our turtles out on the reef think cigarette butts are food, and if they swallow them, they get like a floater's disease, so they float. So our big green turtles float and they end up dying. By all means, smoke, but dispose of your cigarette butts properly. That's all I ask. So that was all I bought, but it was a great trip out. Oh, my collapsible shopping bag, which is really well made, was $15. And considering how well made it is, I don't think that was too bad a price, because I will get a lot of use out of that. That will be perfect for when I go to work. So I then went on to my Crochet for Cancer group, which was up the road at a local club. That was great. We had a great laugh about different things, and hopefully we'll have some new projects to do. We're just waiting on patterns to be approved. For those who've been following my 100-day project, yes, I have nearly finished the Green Mile blanket, as I call it, and hopefully I'll be starting something else tomorrow. I'm finally over the Green Mile. I left there after a couple of hours and thought, well, I'm out and about, it's a lovely sunny day, it's not too hot, I'll do a bit of shopping. Because I was near the Showground Shopping Centre, there's a stall store over here that's called Silly Solly's, nothing over $5. I guess it's like a dollar shop in the States. I went in there because I usually buy a lot of headbands because I make funny things with headbands for little girls. And actually they started stocking yarn. And I got 2 jumbo muffins. It is really soft. It's 100% acrylic made in China. They're 200 gram balls, 8 ply or 3 weight, I think you call that. This one's, there's strawberry and vanilla. There's a great range of colours. They smell beautiful. I don't know what they've done to them, but really squishy and soft. I'm not proud. I'll buy yarn anywhere. $5 a cake, and they're called jumbo muffins, premium yarn, strawberry and vanilla. So I bought 2 of those. I was a bit of a wandering kick, so I was close to Spotlight, and I've been wanting something from Spotlight for a friend, little girl, and I finally bought some Tupu cotton, which they finally started stocking other brands, which is great. Feels really soft. Some cottons can be really hard, but this is beautiful and soft, and I'll be making something for a little girl I know out of that. I only needed the one skein. It's $5, which is not too bad. It was on sale. It's normally $7. This was like a limited colour. It's a 12 ply or 4 weight, I guess. They're obviously trying to get rid of this colour. It was down to $3. I don't mind that. I'll make a great guy beanie or boy beanie colour, so I bought that. And the other thing, because I became inspired by the whip bag, I thought I might dust off my sewing machine, and I went to the remnant basket in the fabric section and I found pink flamingos. I almost love flamingos as much as polar bears. Isn't it great? It's a huge piece of remnant, and I got that for $2, so I was really happy with that. I then left there and thought, well, I'll take the long way home and I will go to Lincraft. They didn't have much there, but like Spotlight, throwing out one-offs that they want to get rid of, and I found this pom-pom beanie, yarn by Birch, and it has a great pattern for a kid's pom-pom beanie. It's soft, it's 100% acrylic, it's 8 ply, and because we had just purple, $1.50. There weren't many left, so I'd say it was a store special to get rid of their last stock. So I bought that. I don't know what I'll use it for. During the week, I had ordered something from Wish the very first time over a month ago. I ordered buttons and knitting needles, these special knitting needles I wanted. Well, the buttons turned up, which say handmade, da-da-da-da. Still waiting for the knitting needles. I don't know if other people have bought off Wish, if they have as much trouble as that. I actually went to them because at my last, not this one, but my first Crochet for Cancer group, the lady was there that had these awesome knitting needles that had stainless steel circular, and I wanted to try a pair, and she got them off Wish. She wasn't there yesterday because I was going to ask her how long it takes because I'm still waiting for the knitting needles. But anyway, that's life. We do a lot of waiting. Because I keep buying yarn, and I've been watching other videos about yarn stash. Mine is way too big. So yet again, I've put a ban on myself buying yarn, but that was after I checked out the Ice Yarn website. I watched Crystal's video yesterday on Ice Yarns. I've been watching a few channels that all rave about Ice Yarns. I thought I'd have a look. Well, I don't like their website. I can't really tell what the yarn looks like. To get a good enough indication to want to buy it online and have it shipped to Australia, because shipping is really expensive compared to other websites, even Australian websites. It's just so confusing the way they do it. Like, they show a whole swatch of the yarn. They don't show it in the ball, and yeah, so I didn't buy any. There was one particular yarn I wanted to try, but because I couldn't work out where to find it and what colour, I gave up. Maybe next time, maybe if they clean up their website. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy your ice yarn. It's just too hard for me to buy online. It's bad enough paying freight, but when I can't work out what I'm buying, nah, not for me. And that's just my opinion. I know guys love ice yarn. So now I'm on a yarn ban. I'm not buying any yarn. I'm going to try and bust some of my stash because it's really big and I don't have a craft room. It's all over the house. I think my son went into a drawer to get something and he went, "It's full of yarn." And I went, "Oh yeah, I forgot about that." So yeah, I'm going to try and bust my stash, but we'll see how long it lasts. I'll put it on the calendar as starting from today and we'll see how long I go without buying any yarn. What else have I done? While I was at the market, there were this old guy had a stall and he must burn into wood these signs and sayings, and I don't know if he's stealing the sayings or he makes it up, but there was one I really liked. It said, "Just be yourself because everyone else is taken," and I really liked that. It made me smile and I thought, what a great saying. So there you have it. That's my update. I had a great day out. It's Sunday afternoon here, sitting around in my dags. I make a lasagna for dinner instead of a roast. That was a request by my son. He loves Italian food. So there you have it. I hope you have a enjoyable day and weekend before the Monday starts. Look after yourself, take care, be kind to each other, and have a crafty day. See you next time.